Oh. Waiting. Yay, people are coming in. Oh, Twitter people. I'll read. Bet you had a better day than me. What's up, Michelle? What's up, Don? Keep this quick. The day, I'll explain. The day kind of sucked. What's up? What's up? Yo, Gavin. Lost 2.4k today. That's not good. I'm on a 16-day streak. Am I? Yeah, dude, that'll be a fun game to play against you. I'm out. I don't know if I'm presuming you're out as well. I think I'm getting the flu. I feel shit. I hope I'm not getting coronavirus. No, I think it's because I ran in the sea like a spacker today. But yeah, like as you guys can see, I'm just curious. This guy said he ended a 16-day streak. Yeah, I don't think it was that easy today, honestly. My streak's still going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I'm on an 18-day streak. It keeps going. Alex will be like, how the fuck did you only make $76 when you had KXIN? Good point. I'll explain. Yeah, I mean, look, it's just one of those things. I didn't lose through any real fault of my own. I'll explain basically what went wrong today. So APVO is a shitty company, always gaps and fails, and it had its first red day today. I played the first red day, and it worked out perfectly. Shorten the push, covering the wash. Added just a little bit of VWAP, and look, on these kind of liquid stocks, I really need to put stops in. I really need to put stops in, and I thought I put a stop in, but I didn't put it in. And I mean, I was up about a couple of hundred, and then when this squeezed, I was immediately down 200. I'm not sure why APVO squeezed. I'm not sure if it's a chat. I'm not sure if it's a big short. I can't imagine it being a long. Don't know if it's a news has come out. Have a quick look at the news, see if there's anything today. No, there's no news. So I'm not sure what happened, but APVO squeezed and it went from 14 to 17, $3, and I was in full size. Like, it is what it is. I expected this typical first red day coming down to the 13s, 14s. It played out just like the other patterns, but for whatever reason, this one squeezed. I was up about 500-600, and I was up a couple of hundred, and it went red 200. So that sucked. But it is what it is, and it happens. Like, it's one of them things. KXIN, one of my favorite shorts. A lot of volume resistance here. And Alex is saying, where's the cover? I'm curious, by the way, Ali Akbar, what was your trade that you lost on? Me last cover, regrettably, was 410, mate. So this looked dangerous pre-market. I mean, not dangerous because it's got all this bag holders, hypothetical bag holders. It's a million float. But these charts generally fail. And so I started in around the double top, looking left, playing off me levels, and it worked perfectly. I pretty much caught the top. Had not brilliant size because I've got a lot of data that says, I mean, it's touch and go because I've got data that says these all fail, but then I've also got data that says based on this volume it can push, right. So I took like $3,000 position. And I was in and out on the way down, trying to keep a core of like a couple of $1,000. Last cover 410. What was yours, Alex? And look, made like $445, but then Oh wow, no way. Ah, dude, come on. Fucking look at this chart, brother. You know, that's amazing that I've held on more than you. But yeah, I mean, KXIN, the volume was dead for me, brother. So never saw anything too crazy on the chart. So held all right. Still was disappointed. Obviously looking for the bounce. Obviously Alex would have been looking for the bounce to VWAP as well. So it just is what it is. So I made 445 on that, but then APVO, whatever that was, that first red day went wrong. So I was only up 200. And then again, LTM was an earnings winner. Terrible chart. It hasn't had any rangy moves on this volume, so I thought it was safe. But again, like, I mean, it pushed somehow. I mean, I try and stay away from fresh charts, but you never know when you're going to catch range. Like, I try and stay away stuff with light volume, big range, but this just did it to us today. And again, like, only lost $100. Do you know what I mean? Like, as short starter in the 17s, took a lot of it off in this push, took the rest off around here, and then luckily it pushed and halted. So lost about $1 on starter size, $100, doesn't matter. So it's like it's just a nothing day, and ELTM fits the data every time, so I'm not going to not trade it again. It's just one of those times where it didn't work. Granted, it's earnings. Granted, the chart's not ideal, but I wouldn't take it again tomorrow, but I'd take it again on a good run that I've been on. APVO, I would put a stop in next time, but I'd probably trade it the same way. It's just bad luck. Like, I don't think I did anything wrong. It's just the probability of luck working itself out. And of course, Neo I basically ended up flat on. Thought I had this one. Oh no, it's not coming down, is it? Yeah, I mean, I'm saying this is a lower high, but I mean, look, Neo is a funny one. It reminds us of JKS. It's quite overextended. You've got this double top. You've got the 40 whole dollar. On a wider chart, it's starting. Yeah, I think I've missed the breakdown. Fuck, this sucks. This is no, it's not over yet, but I mean, this could really hurt because I think you've got to panic down to the 36s or below. I think you have. I think I've come out of this early, just like I come out of everything early. But look, you've got this nice double top and panic, so naturally, gap it up. People are going to take profits. That's one thing, but I'll get in this backside. But you've got a beautiful triple top. I'll get back in this. I want to see a clear trend break. I want to see VWAP break. I want to see the 39s break. And generally with these, you wait for confirmation, you short weakness after confirmation, which it's fine to short weakness if you've got the confirmation on it, and then you get squeezed again. So generally the best way to play these is obviously shorting the triple tops, and I've missed it. So it is what it is, but all I can do is let it try and break down and catch a bounce. That's all I can do. Obviously, it's better to short the triple tops, but I've missed it. And I don't really want to short this triple top because it looks scary as hell. And it's a stock that just goes higher and higher and higher. So you've got an ascending triangle about to break here from yesterday. It's like, how do you play this, right? It's really hard. I don't want to short the triple top on an ascending triangle break on a stock that keeps on going higher. I don't want to do it. But I don't want to let it break down, short the bounce, and get squeezed because there's so many buyers at every support level. It's like I don't know how to trade this. Like, I need some advice off someone. But I think all you can do is like let it. The best way would be to let it break, let the ascending triangle break if it happens, and then when the breakout's weak, hammer it. And then I think you've got really good risk reward. You've got confirmation of a failed breakout, and then you've got yeah, basically that's it. I'm sorry if I'm a bit slow. I feel very like almost sick. I feel like flu. I hope to God I haven't got coronavirus. But I mean, that's it. If you guys have got tickers, like, look, probability wasn't on my side today. It really wasn't, but you know what it is. I'm green 18 days in a row. It was on my side every other day. It's still got away a green just. So like, luck wasn't on my side, but it's been on my side a very long time. So cannot complain. Very, very grateful for where I am right now, and not exactly making a shitload, but look, that's not right. 2698. I tweeted that as above 50k. I'm not. I'm $140 short. I was positive. I was fucking positive as above 50. That's very confusing. Oh no, was that 1.6? I can't remember. Anyway, I'll figure it out. But anyway, I'll be over 50k hopefully this afternoon or tomorrow. Yo, how's it going? All good? What's up, brother? What's up? I've already answered all of these. Yeah, Ali Akbar, how did you lose the 2.4? I'm very curious. Very curious. Please comment. Yeah, got that. The elections are over. Everyone's been quiet for them. Now that there's confirmation Biden's kind of through, we know that like the markets can react again, right? I mean, look at this trend. Up 200, Neil. It's not a lot. It's like $8,000. The stock barely moves. It's just take 200 now. I can risk high a day, but I feel like it's a triple top. I don't like playing lunch light, but it's a triple top. And then this is a lower high. And you see all these wicks. I feel like it feels like it's due to roll over, like, or it's just choppy price action and I'm getting chopped up. But look, like this panic is massive in the afternoon. It's a massive panic. And then what did they do? It bounces and they gap it up to get it back to the previous price to get it even higher. They've just gapped it. This may put as red on the day, but I don't give a fuck. I think a red day would humble us, honestly. Genuinely believe a red day would humble us. It's good. I don't want this green streak. It makes us reckless and careless. I'd rather lose and be like, shit, you had a red day. Down $18. It's trading's crazy. I'll be down $50, up $50. I'm down $26. And that's 20 quid in real life money. What was the plan, brother? The little fucker. Ross, are you joking? Are you actually joking? That it was him? Was it him in the afternoon? I mean, like talk. If that's him there, like talking about manipulating a very, very thinly traded stock. He's moved it $4 in a minute. He's moved it $4 in 2 minutes. If that's him, it's disgusting. That shouldn't. I mean, look, you can do whatever you want. It's up to him, but it's fucking. Why would you trade such thin stocks with such size where you can't get in and out? Neo was up. I was up 400 on Neo. No joke. I was up 400 on NIO. 370. I was up 370 in the 3830s. I'm red on it now. Like, yeah. I mean, look, I've got 200. It's a very small starter, just in case it does snap, and then I can average in with a bit of comfort. Yes, brother. Well done on your KXIN trade, by the way. I saw that. That's cool. Yeah, for me, I'm like, I mean, up or down 100 is flat, right? I don't even call it red or green. Even up or down 200 is more or less flat. For Alex, up or down 1,000 is flat. Yeah, I mean, look, you forget like on days where like, and I remind myself like, big day, nothing day, big day, not a big day for me, big day, nothing day, big day, nothing day. Like, you don't always have these consistent trading days, and if you try and make a nothing day a good day, you end up with big losses sometimes. So really, having a day off trading is a really good thing. I shouldn't be glued to my computer right now. This was meant to be a really short webinar because I felt sick, but I'm kind of enjoying it. Yeah, that's a joke, that, by the way. All right, Yvonne, how's you trading? How's you studying? I hope you're doing well. Fuck me, I was gonna. Let's try. The key with Neo is to have small size so you don't get chopped up. Like, just pick a key level, short against it, go long double bottom, play against it. Key is to have small size, so like it's when it's ripping up and down, well, it's all right. The profit and loss doesn't scare you, right? But I'll hopefully I don't get stopped out during this webinar. But worst case, I'll just because what happens with Neo is like I reckon everyone's like just getting chopped to death and brokers are winning because everyone's like, it's gonna break, add, or it's I was up 300 and now I'm even, add, and people are like shorting and covering and buying and selling and it's getting chopped up. You better just play small size and just let it do what it wants to do. And if you're right, you're right, and if you're wrong, you're wrong. I think it's gonna break. Oh god, this is tend to be day red on the webinar, but whatever. I almost would rather have a red day just to calm me ego a bit because hot streaks you mess up big time. I'd rather have the small red day for me ego, honestly. But it sucks that I just threw £80 away as well. It is what it is. Yeah, it can be. Very, very good. Very good hold, brother. Yeah, I think we're all getting squeezed. It's a coin flip for me. I mean, obviously, when it goes up, I think it's a long, and when it goes down, I think it's a short. And when you think these things, you shouldn't be in it. But whatever. Like I say, I'm down $90 on that trade I just took, so it's not. It's a bit stupid, but whatever. I'm only down like 30 on the day. Obviously, this has got a few more legs higher in it, right? So obviously got a few legs higher. Very nice. Very nice. I just think like Neo's like JKS and that. You've just got these in Tesla. You've got these fucking electric fanatics just buying, and the electric sector was ridiculously hot a while ago, and people were buying stupid shit then as well. Like I can't remember the names. Yeah, I'm trying to remember. I can't remember. Yeah, sorry to hear that, but I hope all is good. But I order some junk food and watch it and eat a pizza. Watch a pizza. I'm definitely getting sick. I mean, look, with Neo, you're like, oh, it's gonna hit 42. Well, might hit 42, but how do you think the lungs are feeling? Like, what were lungs feeling? What the fuck's going on here? How do you think the lungs are feeling when it panicked to 36? Do you think the lungs are thinking it's going to hit 52 then? Like, when stocks go up, people think they can go higher. When stocks go down, they think they can go lower. Like, it's not about that. It's about understanding the bigger picture to make the better projection. Part of us wants to add, but it's a stupid thing to do. Zero account for showing. I'll use zero free web link. Thank you for using me Trade Zero link. It's on my Twitter profile and on my YouTube videos. Zero free. Yeah, dude, if you don't know, use me Trade Zero link and I'll help you out with some data. If anyone wants to use Trade Zero, please use the affiliate link. I've just posted it. In terms of platform, I use Stocks to Trade. Trade Zero have got their own platform. You just need Windows, and they've just made improvements to it. I was talking to them the other day. They've just improved the software. They've got new releases coming out, so I'd probably just use that. DLNK plug. I hope he's on. Bad tickers. All right. That's a liquid. You lost on these. Why are you trading these? They're completely illiquid. That is a trade makes no sense. It's got no volume. That is a trade makes no sense. This makes more sense, but I don't know what you're doing. They're not liquid enough for me. It's like 14 to 15 in a day. Like, I get electric's hot. The sector's hot, right? Oh, nice. Neo's coming down a bit. Maybe I should have took that short. I get the sector's hot. I get the multi-day breakout. It's got alright volume. Yeah, I don't mind plug. I just don't like the other one. Yeah, I know. But they do come down, eh? They do come down. Thank you, brother. And I'm ordering Domino's. You've got Domino's in the States. It is amazing over here. I'll have that and then I'll take it easy. Am I swinging Neo? If I do, it's 100 shares. I'm not swinging it with any size. ALTM going crazy. It's not going crazy. It's only traded 6 mil. That's not crazy. I mean, it's up 160%. It is kind of, I'll give you that. It's crazy. I'm sorry. I'm in an off mood. Yeah. Oil and gas is hot because, shit, ALTM is what I was short. Yeah, I was short this. It's beautiful triangle break, yeah. Beautiful triangle break. 18 to 22 on that. I'll message Dan Irish and tell him. Spotted another one of these plays. If you trade so many trades, I think it's free, but otherwise it's like, $80 or something, I think. I use Stocks to Trade, but I know a lot of people who use Trade Zero. Alex uses Trade Zero, I think. Down $50 on Neo. I'd be break even if I'd shorted, but I said I was gonna, but when you make a plan, you've got to stick to it. There's anything else, guys? That's it. Green Day streak might come to an end today, but if it is, it'll be green red 100 or so. Unless Neo breaks down, then I'm gonna add short. But I'm not gonna be in a hurry to do it until it shows more signs of breaking down. Futu and Data. Sounds like you're making tickers up. I've not heard of these. Not liquid enough. And Data. Not liquid enough. Like, you must be trading hundreds of thousands of dollars to have any kind of profit on this. Zoom. CM, isn't it? Yeah, I was looking at Zoom actually. I'm very confused about this. I was watching Zoom. I'm very confused. I've been watching Zoom and trading Zoom, but I can't. I've been shorting Zoom recently. I think unless I was short around here and it did break out and came down, I can't remember. But Zoom, I'd say it is kind of mid-range for me. Instagram and Twitter, Junk87, GONK87 Twitter. Instagram's Stephen Junk87. What was HOFV? It's difficult one to predict, mate. Just no real chart history, random sector, mid-range, very looks like a chat room pump, pushed it up and brought it back down. So hard to read. Thanks everyone. See you next time.